Okay, welcome to this episode of YouTube video editors on Fiverr Geek. All right, uh, I tell you in this episode, I'm going to show you one of the amazing guys I've just met on Fiverr, and this guy is so funny, so good, he delivers well. All right, and without wasting your time, I'm going to show you all these things, and this is what we're going to do: introduction. We're going to show you the profile, the review, the rating, and the project. All right, let's hop into the video right away, and I'm going to show you this guy is really amazing. All right, I can tell you he's amazing. If you watch to the end of this video, I'm going to show you one shocking thing about him, and it's going to amaze you wherever you are watching it right now. Let's go. All right, as of when I'm recording this video, this guy has 10 orders already, 5-star rating, and 1137 review. That's amazing. All right, and okay, let's see. Okay, all right, the best decision I've ever made when it comes to content creation. The team killed it and helped me launch my new YouTube channel. You have a repeat customers and in me, and I will be hiring you for all my video editing needs. Okay, this 3 weeks ago. All right, and this client is from United States. Most of the clients are from United States. All right, this guy is really amazing, really amazing. It's going to help your YouTube channel, and whatever you're going to do is going to help it. All right, let's look at his project right now and see how it is.
Hi, my name is Rahmat Ragiban. It seems you need a video editor. My day job is content creation, and by night, I'm Batman. Just kidding. I just love to edit videos. I can basically do what other editors do: cut, zoom, color, remove mistakes, and basically make your videos rock. But I can do some other magic for you. Transitions like this, like this, or like this. Looking for green screen edits? That's correct. Will be done. Multiple cam edits. Easy peasy. Maybe some sound effects. Split screens. Lower thirds. Or maybe you just want subtitles. I can change the color of the video, feel of your video. By making your videos interesting, clickable, and engaging, my job is to make you happy and make your videos just for you with a little bit touch of mine. Am I going too far?
Alright, let's check the pricing. $75 for 1 minute video, and acts on it if available. All right, I love that. Okay, $175 is 5 minute video, colors and animation text and so on. All right, and $250. This guy is amazing. All right, just forget about the price. Whatever you need to do, you're going to reap from this guy's video editing, and it's going to be amazing. All right, it's going to blow your YouTube channel or whatever you want to use this video for. Okay, if you like this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and the link on the description. All right, see you in the next episode. Thank you.